Hey you guys, how's it going? Eliza here, your side biz bestie, and in today's video I'm showing you how to create a capture page using the program Systeme.io. Now, what I do want to let you know is what we're about to look at is a program that helps you create funnels, right? So there's going to be different steps to this. I'm using this program specifically because it allows me to do a lot more editing versus the capture page on my own email processor that I'm using right now, which is Convertkit. Okay, you can create a capture page using, usually I believe a lot of the email platforms out there, they have the option for you to create a capture page. Okay, so you do not have to use the system. If you just want to watch this just so you can get information on what you should have on your capture page, then let's get into it. All right guys, so I am now inside my computer. Now, I do want you to know that you can use literally what we're looking at right now in any other email platform out there, right? I have another video where I show you how to create a capture page using Convertkit. In this video, I decided to use Systeme.io because it allows me to do a lot more editing. So real quick, I want to show you what it is that the goal of what it's going to look like. I need to change that. So this is what it's going to look like in the end, right? And I actually got this from, there was another video that was done, guys, by Noah, which is why I'm using his video here. And he shows you exactly how he did this. So I'm just going to go ahead and leave this up here so that we can have an example. And then I can show you how to do it right. So when you log into Systeme.io, it's going to, this is my dashboard, right? You're going to go to where it says funnels. And then you're going to go to where it says create, guys. It's very simple. And we're going to name it first as the first step system. I'm going to put 3 M's because I already have one. Then it's going to ask you these 3 options. We're going to click on where it says build an audience. We're not selling anything in this page, so we don't need. We can also do custom. Maybe I should do custom instead, actually. Yep. Create a step. And it's going to ask you to name the page, which is why I need to change that says squeeze paid. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to name it 10x system, right? Because that's what shows on here. And then they're going to ask you, what is this? We're going to go ahead and I'm going to put sales page, although we're not selling anything. And I'm going to explain in a minute why is it that I'm doing sales page. So very quickly, the Systeme.io, the program that we're using here, they actually have their own email processor. I personally do not use their email processor because I have my own email processor, right? If you don't have an email processor, then you may want to consider using this because they do have the option and they do have a free version, okay? I do not use the email processor, meaning when people go onto your capture page, they have to put in their email and then it's going to take them to the actual 10x system video, right? The actual website. But before it takes them there, we want to capture their email. If you already don't have an email processor, I recommend you go ahead and sign up for either MailChimp or Convertkit or Aweber. There's Constant Contact. There's a lot of programs out there. I'm not going to tell you which one to choose. Do your research, figure out which one you can do right now, right? Or again, Systeme.io does have that option. What we're creating here is we want to create a capture page so we can get people's information. Now, when I set up the funnel, I clicked on sales page. The reason why I clicked on sales page, guys, is because what I'm going to do is I am connecting my Convertkit onto the capture page, okay? So basically what I mean is when people click, right? So this is my page. When people click here, watch video, it takes them here. This is from Convertkit. So what I did was I linked them together because I did not want to use Systeme.io's video. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do that if you already have another email platform. I just wanted to create something that was more where I was able to edit and actually add videos, add results so people can see that, right? And I couldn't do that on Convertkit, so that's why I'm using Systeme.io. So I wanted to make that clear. If none of that makes sense, do not hesitate to drop it in the comments. I will absolutely answer you guys. So they have already examples here. I'm going to go ahead and I think is this the one I used? I don't want anything too long because all I'm doing is I'm using the same format that Noah suggested for us, right? Where we copy this information, you had a button there, we add the video. Noah has an amazing video that shows team results. So I just went ahead and shared that video right on here. Then I added my own results and other people in the system results, right, guys? Super simple. So let's see. This one right here. I like this one because it already has the video in it, right? So guys, they have examples here, right? They have different examples and you can preview it. Which one is that one that I just clicked on? So I'm just going to go ahead and I don't know which is the video that I was just looking at, y'all. I don't want all of that because I'm gonna delete it anyways, right? I'm going to show you guys exactly what is it that I do here. All right, let's just select this. So you're gonna click select, and then I'm gonna show you. It's gonna bring you right. So now, where is it? We selected a page, and we're gonna click on. So let's look at the buttons, right? So I do not mess with any of this: automation rules, A/B tests, stats, sales, deadline settings. No, right? We're not touching any of that right now. If you're interested in learning more about that, then there's videos when you sign up for the program that teaches you that. I just want to show you simply how to create this capture page for the 10x system, right? So we're going to click on where it says edit page. It's going to take you here. And as you can see, this is a simple page. I'm going to add some things to it so that we can create the landing page, right? So if you want, you can edit this. Again, like I said, I did go ahead and take the example that was given to us by Noah. He's up already over 20K. So I'm absolutely going to take advice from somebody who knows the game and knows exactly what it is that they're doing. And this is the information that's already on the actual website itself. So it's not really much that we're changing, guys. So I'm literally just going to copy this, and you can do the same exact thing. And then I'm going to paste that on there, right? You can change the font. See, the minute I copied that and pasted there, you can go in here and make edits. Change the font size. I'm going to make that a little smaller, right? And then just always save your changes because it does not save it for you right away. Then the video, let me just go ahead and click share and copy this link. And if you go on here, right here, when you click on the actual video, it's going to give you the option to put in the URL. And bam, I put that video and it automatically shows up for me. Then we're going to add some text, right? Because as you can see, there's some more text here and there's some other stuff here. There's a button. So I want to copy this text. Oh, I just realized that. So let's just go ahead, guys. You drag this, you put it right there, bam. And then you're going to paste that and there we go. Quickly, slowly, we're almost done. Okay, so the next step, guys, is we want to add a button. So we're going to go ahead and just going to drag this. Click here, right? And you can edit this button. As you can see, my button is pink. And you can do the same thing. You can click here so that you can actually change, if you want to change the font, right? Background color. You can change it, right? Put whatever color you want. Red is always good. A bright red, of course. And then I'm going to show you guys so that we can take it where we want to take it. So I'm trying to edit the... How do I edit the button? Oh, the button, right? It was right in my face. So everything is on this page. You're going to find the color. You're going to be able to change the words, right? So we're going to change this and we're going to put watch video, right? Because that's the information that we're letting the people know, right? We're letting them know free video training reveals the proven 3-step method that will make you unlimited $297 commission. No complicated setup, no experience or tech needed. no selling or recruited, complete done for you system, watch video, right? Let me just make sure that there is no subtext, right? No, there's no, even though it says subtext here, we're not adding no subtext. We can go ahead and erase that. Unless you want to add something there, you can. Right, very simple. Then, right here, guys, on top, action when button click, right? You need to, where are we going to send them? So here's the thing. If you have your own email processor, what you are going to do is you're going to click on open URL, and you would copy and paste your capture page that you've already created. So before coming on here, guys, when I click on my button, it takes you here. I created this capture page, very simple, guys. All you wanted to say is exactly what you see here. Wait, where should we send the free training, right? I added some money background. I added my pink first name, email address. And then I'm going to go ahead and copy that link. And you will copy that link from your email processor, okay? And just paste it on there. And then when they click on the button, it's going to take them to that page. Now, another thing is when you set up your capture page with whichever email platform it is that you're using, make sure that you drive them to the actual 10x system. So, and I hope that I'm not confusing anybody. Let me just go ahead and put my stuff on here. I already set it up so that when they click here, it's going to take them to my capture page, right? I know this is my page because it says here paid with Eliza. That is my capture page, right? That is my resellers link, right? Then here they're going to see the video. They're going to see the same information. We're only doing this so that we can have a nice funnel, a nice capture page, right? And then so that you can be able to capture those emails. So if you don't already have an email processor, I recommend that you guys sign up with one, right? Create that landing page first, very simple page. I actually have another video where I show you how to create a capture page on Convertkit. If you need to watch that one first and then come on here so you can grab that link and post it here. You can also use Systeme.io's thing. I don't have it and I don't use it. So what you would do, guys, is if you wanted to use their system, you have to click on where it says send them a form. And then you have to create that form. You would have to go on here and create that, right? And if you have any questions about that, I don't use it, so I'm not too sure, guys, but I'm pretty sure it's very simple to do. You can, look it up to figure out how to create. They also have a lot of great videos to teach you how to use their program, okay? So I have open URL, guys, but we are not done. In our capture page, right, the sales funnel that we're using here, we have some result pictures. So let's keep doing it. There's also some more text. So I do have here, check out what others are saying, right? I mean, you don't have to add that. You can leave it like that. And then I'm just going to go ahead, guys. I'm going to delete this. We can leave that button there. But I'm going to delete all of this because we're not using any of this. So as you guys can see, all I'm doing is they literally, when you click, it hovers over it and you click the orange button, or you see how it has the whole row. I'm going to go ahead and delete that whole row because I don't need any of that. I'm going to leave this button here, right? We can leave this button here and edit it to get instant access. If you want that, you can leave that there, but we're telling them to watch video, right? Watch video now. And again, you can edit this, change the color to that red so it can match the button on top, right? And now what we're going to do here, I'm going to go ahead and move me out of the way. Why is this going slow? I hope the video, my laptop is dying, guys. I wonder if that's why it's going slow. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm trying to move me. Hello, move out the way, Eliza. Delete this because we don't need this down here. Delete this. Delete this. And the row is still... Okay, and then I'm going to leave that row. You have to leave that row so that you can add the images. So now, before we're getting on here, you want to go ahead and screenshot some proof videos not proof video, proof pictures from the 10x group, guys. That is why we have the support group, so that people can use the images. So I already have the images on here, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take the pictures that I have, right? Ideally, you would want to put yours first, because people are coming on to the page because you sent them there, right? If you don't have any results, it's okay. Go ahead and add other people's results. I like the ones with the pictures of the faces because it makes it seem a little bit more, you know, human, real, not just random numbers. Okay, image right here, bam. And I have the images here. If you don't have the images, guys, all you have to do is click select file. It's going to take you to wherever you have your pictures saved, right? And click your pictures. So, and then you add all the pictures, right? I'm not going to keep adding pictures. I'm going to keep this smooth and easy. I do want to show you guys one more thing. Let me just open this again. You want to make sure that, see, we're looking at the desktop version. Let's look at mobile version. You want to make sure that you look at the mobile version, because most of the times people are on their cell phones. So this is how it looks on the phone, right? You just want to look at this. If you wanted to make this smaller, you can. If you wanted to add a line here, because I think I did that on my page. Is it on there? It is on there, right? So you can just come on here. You can play around with this if you wanted to edit something. If you wanted, oh, and it put the line down there. That's fine. If you wanted to, see, look. So this is really why I came on here. I changed the button color on the desktop. But for whatever reason, this system, when you change the button color, sometimes it doesn't change it on the cell phone. I don't want one red and one green. So make sure that you look at it on the cell phone and on the desktop. So I would just come on here and make the changes to the button. Make sure they're both red. Save changes. And then that's it, guys. That is it. Once you click save changes, you're going to click this arrow right here to exit. Once you exit, we're not creating any other pages because the system already is driving them to the capture page to get their email. And then from the capture page is driving them to the actual 10x system website, guys. Then all you got to do is just, you're going to have your, when you go here where it says menu, funnels, this is the one we just created right here, right? We're going to click share funnel right here. And that link up there is your link. Okay, guys? So one thing I actually did not show you is how to change your background. So I thought that background was pretty cool, so I left it. But let me just go on here, right? If we want to make more edits, you're going to click where it says funnels. You're going to click on the actual thing. And remember, let me move my face. Oh my God, my laptop is dying. This is the edit button, edit page. All you got to do is click where it says section on the back. And I don't even think that's it either, actually, because I don't see it. But you will go in here, guys. You can play with this. As you can see, it's very simple. You click on the section. That's why I really like this. Even if you've never done this, you can come on here, guys. Play around with it. If you want to change the background, you can do that. I'm going to go ahead and end this video. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them down in the description. Again, you want to get your email first if you don't already have a platform. MailChimp is free, but I'll be very honest with you. MailChimp is not too fond of programs like the 10x system, okay? You just have to be careful with your wording. Once you're sending emails out to people, they don't really like make money online type emails. And I can tell you this because I've gotten my accounts shut down in the past. So you may be better off with a Weber or other autoresponders out there. Just do your research and figure out which one is the best for you. I use Convertkit. If you guys found this useful, make sure you go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and drop your questions in the comments. I'm going to do my best to answer them. Bye.